Hey everyone, it's Brandon from FlowPath. Wanted to make a quick video on how to bulk print QR codes. So both equipment and inventory act the same way. They have the same functionality. They all come with unique QR codes for that item. So at the top right, you can see there's a print icon that if you select the print, it will generate that PDF of the QR codes and some of the equipment information, or if it's inventory, some of the inventory information as well. So maybe you need a little more information or a customized label that you'd like to print off of. So the way to do that is to download the CSV here of the equipment that's on the page. And you can use this CSV in a mail merge type functionality using this QRCODE ID column. So in any QR code generating or label generating software, such as Avery, you can then use this column to generate a QR code. So let's go see how that looks from the Avery standpoint. So if I go and open up Avery Templates, this is a free online source that you can merge this exact CSV into. You can say, okay, I'm going to choose these address labels. I'm going to start designing. And I already have an account, so we're going to go ahead and sign in. So once you have this design, select this design on this label, you can then import data via mail merge and generate QR codes. So if I wanted to say import data, let's browse for a file here in my downloads. You can see all of the columns that show up. We will not select the headers and say next. We can then arrange the fields that we'd like. So if it's the equipment name, maybe the purchase date and the model number, we can say next and finish. You'll be able to see the items that we just selected here. And then if I wanted to add the QR code, I can add a barcode or QR code. So I'll say it's a barcode or it's a QR code. And then I'd like to use this QRCODE ID column to generate the actual code. So I drag and drop it. This is the sample. I select finish. And this is the same exact QR code generated by Avery that we use in our FlowPath system. So that example piece of equipment here has this QR code on that label that you can print with. Feel free to reach out and we will point you to the Avery or other free printing solutions so that you can customize any of the work fields from a piece of equipment or inventory on a label for QR codes.